In this video, I will show you how to turn off the demo store mode on your Samsung Smart TV. So if you're getting that unnecessary advertisement about the TV displaying on the right hand side, left hand side, or just all over your Samsung Smart TV, and you want to be able to remove the demo store mode or retail mode as it is sometimes called on your Samsung Smart TV, irrespective of the size or model of Samsung Smart TV, basically what you want to do is to head over to the settings of the TV. So come over to the settings of your Samsung TV, and then you just want to scroll down until you get to the general settings over here. Scroll over to the right hand side, and then you just want to scroll down again until you get to System Manager. Click on it, and then from here at the bottom you're going to see the usage mode over here. Go ahead and click on it, and then from here you can go ahead and change it from retail mode to home mode. But first you have to enter the password of your Samsung Smart TV, so I'll go ahead and enter mine. You can now change from home mode to retail mode, or from retail mode to home mode. So basically mine is on retail mode over here, which is basically the demo store mode. Now if you change it to home mode, that unnecessary advertisement about your TV that shows specifications about the TV will be automatically removed from the TV. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.